Maybe it's nice to be alone in the end. You know I'm fine living so close to the edge. Who needs a house when I've got all these friends? They say, are you gonna give up someday? Are you gonna grow up someday? I know we're getting older, but that don't mean it's over. I know we're getting sober, but that's not on my mind. We can do this every night. You can be my ride or die. We can live this way every day. Go out like dynamite. I'm living like ride or die. Gotta live this way every day. Gotta live this way every day. Gotta live this way every day. This way every day. Don't need a license when you've got no drive. It feels so right taking the wrong advice. They tell me one day that I'll pay the price. They're saying maybe I'll go up in flames. Maybe it'll blow up one day. I know we're getting older, but that don't mean it's over. I know we're getting sober, but that's not on my mind. We can do this every night. You can be my ride or die. We can live this way every day. Go out like dynamite. I'm living like ride or die. Gonna live this way every day. Live this way every day. Gonna live this way every day. Gonna live this way every day. Gonna live this way every day.
Is that for only $5? So that's like $1 each.
You choose the consequence.
You can choose a consequence from a list
And you'll
and
see
make
it.
him do it so that he can get married with the woman he loves.
Do we get to see the list?
Yeah, of course you do.
Oh, you can choose the list. You can do a tattoo on his face,
She
whatever you
likes the
want.
leash.
Oh, I like the tattoo idea.
Yes.
All right, go like this. Go like this to dry it. There we go. I'm not an artist, guys.
It works very well. Hey, you draw nice balls.
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh, that's better.
I said yes.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you very much.
It's rugby games, between South Africa and New Zealand.
Yeah, we've kicked your ass a few
Oh, but we've kicked your ass just as
No,
much,
we
mate.
kicked your ass a few times.
Oh,
It's okay. No,
mate,
be a
mate.
man. Be a man.
Be a man.
Not many times, but a few times.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's all good though, eh?
In Montreal, Quebec, I'm here with none other than Theo. Theo? What do you want to say to the American ladies?
Love butt cheeks.
I'm Theo from Australia. Should meet me if you want a great time down under.
Down under. Thunder from down under.